Welcome to Japanese Cooking. I'm Sachiko. This channel is all about Japanese cooking and Japanese food culture. If you have any question, requests, please let me know. Today is about pancake. I love English pancake eaten with lemon and honey. It's really simple, but it's delicious, isn't it? I used to cook many varieties pancakes at Pancake Week. American blueberry pancake, buckwheat pancake, even gluten-free pancake. Where I used to work at vegetarian restaurant, I really enjoy doing that. Sounds like nothing to do with Japanese food? No. We love our pancake. Japanese pancake called hot cake. I am going to introduce a very special pancake. Fuwa Fuwa pancake. Or actually, Fuwa Fuwa hot cake. It's really crazy, mad looking Fuwa Fuwa hot cake. It's mad looking, right? It's souffle-like, extra fluffy texture. So soft and melt in your mouth. We're crazy about this texture. I couldn't resist to try out. I hope this recipe will add up your pancake recipe this year. Let's make it together and make something special this year's pancake day. Let's get started. Let's begin with ingredients. This will make 3 pieces of pancake. 1 egg yolk, 10 gram milk, a few drops of vanilla extract, 3 egg white, 20 gram sugar, half teaspoon of lemon juice, 20 gram self-raising flour, and oil to cook. Equipment we need: large mixing bowl for egg white, electric hand whisk, both need to be very clean, shouldn't have any grease on them, sieve to sifting flour, spatula, another medium bowl for egg yolk, non-stick pan with lid, also heat-proof spatula for cooking, to serve with whipped cream, maple syrup, and your selection of fresh soft fruit. First, we need to separate egg yolk and white, milk, vanilla extract, and third of sugar add to the egg yolk and mix well. Start using blender to whisk the egg white. Roughly break through for 1 minute, then add half of sugar. Whisk the egg for a couple of minutes till soft peak, then add rest of sugar. Keep whisking until you have a stiff, glossy, hard peak merengue texture. Add a lemon juice and mix well. Reason to add lemon juice is making meringue neutral. Egg white naturally alkaline, but when it's neutral, form become more stabilized. Then add sifted flour for twice. Mix till flour is gone. Now we are combining all together. Roughly mix first. To avoid losing air bubbles, add 1 scoop of egg white to yolk mix. Repeat 1 more time with spatula. Now pour mix into the egg white. At this stage, we don't want to lose any air, so very gentle to mix well. Okay, batter is now ready to cook. Use the medium-sized ring. Turn on the smallest heat. Add half tablespoon of oil, then wipe off the excess oil with kitchen paper. Use large spoon to stack up the batter. Place it carefully in good distance positions. They will get puffed up quite a lot. To make them nice and thick, pile up taller. This cooking method is totally different to the normal pancake. We cook with small heat at beginning to end. Gently tidy the shapes, then add 1 tablespoon of water. Place it in between pancakes. Then lid on, start timer 7 minutes. Oh yes, looking good. Very carefully check the bottom of the pancakes. I'm sorry about my messy hair. Use spatula to turn it over. If you lift it up a pan, slightly angle, it's much easier. Now we cook another 7 minutes. Again, add 1 tablespoon of water. Carefully place it in between pancakes. We don't want to have any soggy pancakes, do we? Keep the lowest heat and lid on for another 7 minutes. Hooray! Beautiful! Check the edges. If they aren't sticky, that's done. I love eating with chantilly cream, some fresh fruits and maple syrup. But you can have with simply butter and syrups. It's up to you. Hope you enjoy this Fuwa Fuwa Japanese pancake. This extra light and fluffy pancake are using much less oil and small amounts of flour, so it's much healthier than regular pancakes. It's almost like a steam cake. Could be enjoyed with yogurt, healthier options. That's it today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you soon. Enjoy your pancake day.